shoulders face mercy, Baddha Padmasana. First Padmasana. First right leg above left thigh, then left leg above right thigh. Both heels, either belly, both knees touching on the floor. Make the spine should be straight line. This is Padmasana, lotus posture. Then Baddha Padmasana, both big toes catch your big thumb and index from back side. This is Baddha Padmasana, bound posture, tight posture, Yoga Mudrasana. Chin lock, Jalandhara Bandha, crane touching on the floor. Purvottanasana. Raise your hands from back side, back bend your neck. Weight on knees and palms. Close your eyes. Next, Utthita Padmasana or Kukkutasana. Raise your hands. At the thighs, lift your body up to elbows. Vision front forward. First step, second step, do movements. Padma Simhasana. Both feet, both knees touching on the floor from back side. Push your palms. Open your tongue. Do Akar sound. Right to left, left to right. One finishes, both palms. Either chest, raise your neck. Padma Sarada Bhujangasana. Sirsasana. Follow your left leg, heel below genital. Jhana means knees, Sid means head. Catch your right foot. First, look straight. Second step, forehead touching the right knee. Next, Vakrasana. Kudi kalu medu edam kalu mokkalu daggara pettukovali. Edam cheti ankle pattukoni kudi cheti nandabini medani tippunchali. Twisted out wrong, close your eyes. కొద్దిగా అడ్వాన్స్ ఆసనం అంటే పరివృత్త వక్రాసనం. ఈ పక్క పెట్టుకుని చేసుకుంటే కానీ అది పరివృత్త వక్రాసనం. అడ్వాన్స్గా ప్రెజర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. The Padma Paschimottanasana, Pramoshanasana, left leg above right. Left hand from back side, catch your big toe, thumb and index fingers. Right arm, catch your right foot. Forehead touching the right knee. Vajrasana. Follow your left leg from back side. Both buttocks on the ground. Seat kinda undalu. Right leg above, left thigh. Right hand from back side, catch your big toe. Left hand inside the right thigh. Twist it out, trunk, close your eyes. Ardha Gomukha Paschimottanasana. Hold your left leg from above right thigh. Ardha Gomukha Paschimottanasana. Catch your right foot. Inhale. Forehead touching the left knee. Now Pindasana. Do step by step. First step, cross your legs. Second step, raise your hands. Third step, hands in between calf and thigh. Fourth step, hands together. Finally, is covered with palms. Balance on buttocks. Vision front forward, close your eyes. Gorakshasana, butterfly, Baddha Konasana, Bhadrasana. Giant feet. Heels below genital above anus. Interlock your fingers, stretch your hands. Push your toes. Make the spine should be straight. Thighs and knees touching on the floor. So your knees with palms. Don't bend your elbows. Third step, Chin Mudra. Both hands placed on the knees. Close your eyes to concentrate. Baddha Konasana. So raise your hands. I am touching shoulder shoulders. Front forward. Forehead touching the floor. Then counter pose. Interlock your fingers. I am touching shoulder shoulder. Urdhva Mukha Baddha Konasana. Okay. Next, Akarna Dhanurasana. Catch your big toes, thumb and index fingers. First raise your right leg up to ear. Vision front forward. Second step, cross your hands. Interlock your fingers. Kinda Ekalanda or Pada, right leg. Swasula Chivasana, Ekapada, Sirsasana or Sikandasana. Right, follow your right leg, opposite shoulder, hands in front of heart.